And if you remember what did I teach you yesterday? Do you remember? Anyone? Yes, I taught you.
No, sir.
And the topic was okay, just how to book
Add up. Sum of 34. Topic.
Page number.
34.
Okay, all of none of and some of. Listen, students, I told you yesterday that the really all of videos are in a whole amount of all of some of their whole amount of all amount means the okay. All of means the whole amount. Okay. Next is the
Sum of.
sum of means the
Which?
sum of the certain amount. Good job. Outstanding. And next is the none of nil. None of means a nil. Understand? Yesterday I made a lot of abundance of examples whenever we use countable noun after a what? This is students class तुम्हारे जिकल all of some of none of none countable noun इस्तेमाल करना बाबे से इस्तेमाल और singular form of word इस्तेमाल. Understand? ना जिकल ना मुंगा इस्तेमाल countable noun इस्तेमाल plural इस्तेमाल मुंगा इस्तेमाल हुआ become plural form of the word इस्तेमाल. For example, all of the students are absent. The two students here absent here. Okay, all of the sugar is a waiter. All of the sugar is a waiter. Let's come toward the book of I'll write this topic to you. Okay, topic of the leader. Understand? Today we don't have enough time after the time. Let's move on. Okay, I got this page number 85 and 86. No, let's come toward 86.
Yes.
86. Page number 86. Presentation number 19. Presentation number
18.
19. Okay, Mrs. Sandra, if you remember, I taught this topic to you. I taught it is plus adjective. Okay, then why did you use structure? I taught this structure to you. Why did you use this structure? Anyone? This structure is used to show that how someone feels about doing something. Doing something. Damu das structure is a single message. For example, it is hard to learn another language. That's मुश्किल है चुबल language is क्या? That's अच्छा पर it is difficult for everyone. That's अच्छा पर difficult है. Look how someone feels about doing something. Chocus, your car is single feel message. Understand there are other things from that structure is involved. For example, next sentence it is hard. Yeah, for example, it is difficult to go to America. I also told you that we can use infinitive after it. Then in the mathematical system infinitive system. Understand? Next sentence. Who wants it? You have to return. Okay? Bring it back. Okay, this is Shraddha. We can also use for plus object. It's also used at how someone feels about doing something. For instance, it is it is difficult. It is difficult for us. It is difficult for us. It is difficult for us to go to hospital. You go to hospital. Now we are gonna take a class. It is difficult right now for our stage. We cannot go to the hospital. It is difficult for us. दर्जा बड़ा मुश्किल है. तो मेरे पास चीजें मुश्किल है कि उसको hospital चला गया. Understand? We are feeling difficult. मुश्किल महसूस हुआ. Difficult महसूस हुआ. Understand? It is also the same definition. Okay? It is this structure is used that how someone feels about doing something. Next, anyone who can make examples. So, example, Jordan Sheila.
Yes, sir. It is difficult for us go to police station.
Yes, great. Next,
It is hard for us.
it is difficult for me to speak French. To speak French. Next,
It is hard for us.
it is not. To get left. Good job. Thank you so much. Let's come toward the book here. Page number 86, sir. Page number 86. Mansoor interaction. Okay, first one example the बोले it is very windy. We can't play tennis. So मतलब it is too windy for us to play tennis. It is windy. It is very windy. ज़्यादा हवा था. We can't play tennis. उनका tennis निशुल्क बोलिया. So if you want to make it more professional, कानून ज़बरदस्त जोड़िया तो हम बराने sentence ये simple था. लाजिने sentence चीज़ का ना ड्रम में दास structure इस्तेमाल कर लिया. It is difficult plus a form plus a object. It is too windy for us to play tennis. To play tennis. Understand? Okay, next sentence. It is very cold. Anna cannot go swimming. Anna cannot go swimming. It is too cold for Anna to go swimming. To go swimming. Any problem? Listen, students. I need your attention now. It is plus adjective plus form plus a to plus a verb. Understand? This is the structure. Try to note it. That's something not there. Understand? Let's move on. Scalability number 20. Scalability number 20. Mustafa interaction. Four. Good job. Look at the person. Sam cannot go skiing because it is very warm. It is very warm. You are right. It is too warm for him to go skiing. To go skiing. What does it mean?
That
You are right. It is too warm for him to go skiing.
that is a grand name for a ski pool.
It is too warm for him to go skiing. It is too warm. मतलब है मौसम का डेट याद करना दे फॉर्मेट हमारा पारा जिसका पारा शेयर. Let's move on. Tom is not going to work because it is very icy. How to make it? Simple, Shabas. You are right.
You are right.
It is too icy. Icy for him
To go.
to go to work. To go to work. Understand?
Yes.
Do you understand? Okay, the next one, how to make it? We won't match the races because it is very cold.
You.
You are right.
For us,
You are right. It is
to watch the race. To watch the race. Good job. Come on, Joe, practice money. You can sit with her. Hurry up. Hurry up. Good job. Come fast, come back fast. Cannot go skiing because it is very warm. You are right. It is warm. It is skiing warm for him. To go to skiing. Okay, next is Tom is not going to work because it is very icy here. You are right. It is too icy. It is too icy for him to go to. Huh? No. To watch basically, understand? To play tennis, let them to go to run. Understand? Any problem? Let's move on. Reaction number 21. Reaction number 21. Reaction number 21. Yes, what's the point interaction? Adverb of frequency. Okay, students, what is adverb of frequency? Okay. Good job, outstanding, super. It shows that how many times an action happens in a week, in a year, in a month, in a day. Adverb of frequency means जो action कोरस के साथ की गया पर after के साथ की गया पर month की साथ की गया local के साथ की गया. Understand how often चीजें करना मत सीधा adverb of frequency. How often चीजें is an adverb of frequency. Adverb of frequency. Okay, why do we use how often? Mohammed Zaid. How often को इस्तेमाल हो? How often? Huh? How often? How often? Huh? Yes. But it's simple. It is used to ask that how many times an action happens. Your action, your car, so that we. Now, our question is supposed to keep up how often. Yeah. Let's come toward how often the first the young's activity. Shabas. The young's activity. Shabas. Hurry up, just read it right now. Read it. The young's activities. Hurry up. No. How much? Option answer. Then good shout. Hurry up. Read it up. Hurry up. Just read it right now. Hurry up. Hurry up. Listen, students. Burhan, I need your attention. That's the area. That's she is the activities here. That's the how are they? Elena, they, Mike, they, and the next one they name choice. So they are choice. Okay, Burhan. That's Syria. How about socially TV Buria? Rarely, in not Buria, never, later, sometimes, Michael, rarely, often, choice, often. So here, we will make questions. Then you will once we will ask question and then next one will give response. Let's look at the chart and ask and answer question. Look at the chart and ask and answer question. The first one, how often does Howard Sudhya, how often does Howard watch TV? Howard Sudhya Susan TV Buria. Understand? He really does. Yes, sir. Kalau masalah simple present tense की question sheet answer का बस क्या होगा simple present tense के बस simple present tense क्या for example बता does the question sheet है ना how often बता how often does Howard watch TV question they ask in simple present tense so we have to give response in simple present tense response question क्या होगा a simple present tense क्या वो बता how often does okay he really does. He really does. I told you, class तुम्हारे adverb of frequency चीजें करना बस simple present tense की और simple past tense की बात होंगे the subject of the word based form पर common के इस्तेमाल हुआ. We use adverb of frequency बकरे इस्तेमाल हुआ the subject of the word based form और दुनिया के इस्तेमाल हुआ. दूसरा था he really does. Does must she dia? That is the word based form should auxiliary word देने सरा. Okay, really must she dia? Adverb of frequency. So I told you the system adverb of frequency बता इस्तेमाल हुआ the subject और the verb दरमियान क्या और adverb of frequency वो कहते to be verb नंबर इस्तेमाल हुआ. For example, I शाबाश she is really sick. She is really sick. So इस मासिक चीज़ एक reviewer दे reviewer नंबर मासिक इस्तेमाल कर दिया really मासिक दिया adverb of frequency वो कहते to be verb नंबर understand look at the first one Eleanor sports how often does Eleanor play sports how often does Eleanor play sports he never does come on the same like this we have to do practice like we have to do practice here do you understand Mohammed say not okay all your horses you have to practice okay practice I'll be back in a flash دماغك كده الشمس خلينا ترش تزكي دماغك الشمس You don't understand? Suppose you hello, you have to do practice with him. Hurry up. You understand? Suppose you come here. This is Shabbos. Let's go practice for Shabbos. Let's go practice for Shabbos. Hurry up. Quickly. Do practice with him. Yes, sir. I'll be there. Howard that person name dia for example the adverb of frequency mutara kare se shiri adverb of frequency did they movies dia kan did they movies dia tv did tarasha did daria seshlo did seshlo Go to Burhan. How often did go to movies? Aga movies tasana zia the kira shati da he really does. How often how often how often
How often
uh,
does
how often does Tom
Tom
go to
movies?
movies? He really
Really does.
he really does. He really does. Are you understand? You understand? Okay, who will make third one? Third one was to here. Aisha, you answer the question and Fatma will give response. Shabash. Liz. Shabash. She really does. Okay, now you answer the question and she will give response. Shabash. Fourth one. He really does. Okay, Sahil, you answer question the fifth one and you'll give response. Fifth one.
How often will go to movie?
How often does Joyce? He never does. Thank you so much. It was a nice. Yes, Mustafa, you ask question and he will give response. Sixth one. How often Howard go to movies? Huh? Landura? Howard Talandrasha?
He sometimes
He really does. Understand? Let's move on. Pronunciation number 22. Okay, repeat these words. Words. I'm gonna say it. That's the term. Listen to yourself. Pronunciation is a special class for you. Understand?
Yes.
Once we go ahead, it's not your level.
Yes.
Once we go ahead, the pronunciation two tricks for the how you are gonna pronounce a word. The word will not be pronounced. I take one class inshallah two pronunciation tricks for the the word will single pronounce no way chicken up spelling rules spelling rules are the phonetics are the inshallah I'll teach all these things. That's what I'm told them. Once you got intensive chicken intensive so I'll teach each and every. Okay, let's come toward the common spelling Sarashia. Now, brown, flower, out, mouth, about the house, cloud of the town, south of the tower, the town is in the south, she counted all the clouds, he found it in the house. Silent reading number 23. Okay, yes, Jawad, interaction. Jawad.
redirection is
Yes, come on. Okay, let's go. Go on. Silent read number 23. Read the article and try to guess out what these words and expression mean. Listen to us. Read the article. Start with the article. The article read and try to guess. Guess means and try to guess means a sochna. Okay, and try to guess so what these words, the few words you know, and expressions. What is that expression? What is expression? A word or a group of words that we use daily basis in our speaking, that is called expression. Okay, expression means the thing expression words the parent the article, the here. Devata so much the expression the new words swimming there. This is your homework. Tomorrow you have to read it at home. Devata so much read there. And at the end you have some question. The next question here you have to give text response. There is also there. जवाब दो here. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Mr. Sir. Come to page number 91. 91 class here. Write number 20. Write number 24 to Korea. That Leah wrote these notes about two of her patients, her secretary wrote a paragraph from the notes about Paul. Crandall write a paragraph about Susan Stevens. Let's just it's not possible just leave it here. Do you see what you think? Okay, unit number 7 vocabulary are read Shabas. Hurry up. Unit number 7 words vocabulary read Shabas. Hurry up. You are having only 1 minute. What words are those? What does it mean? Yes? What is it? Penane word vocabulary penane word Shabas. Again you talk to it. Again you. What word? Bollywood. Variety. Unfortunately, but this is junk food bazar या बेकार Try to reserve your seat, otherwise we are doing sufficient seats inside the class. Reserve the way of book karna. You will go, yeah. That's it. Words which has no subject and no one. Such as subject is Madami meaning आते sense Madami in the class using आते. Good. In the class. Tomorrow you have to prepare an idea. Let's come towards page number 92. Page number 92. On a diet. If you remember, अगर आप लोग को याद है, last time what happened? बने idea किससे चर्चा हुआ? Chapter 1.
Exercise को वजन कमाओ.
Good. Dr. Riyak ने कहा अगर तो समय उस पति रीडिंग के ऊपर तो Dr. Riyak जो है हम डाइट चैट करें आप पति के लिए हाँ come on read it right now now read के शाबाश Dr. Riyak they are called शाबाश Dr. Riyak and called शाबाश yes of course hurry up read it right now come on hurry up read it right now if you are having any kind of trouble you can ask hey I give you a mail Usman, just read it right now. Hurry up. And you can present them in idea right now. Come here. Those people in Shiraj. It's simple.
Tomorrow will be better.
Listen, tomorrow नहीं होगा. सवाल तो राजी हो. तो सवाल ये है tomorrow नहीं होगा. सवाल राजी. ऐसे सवाल राजी. सवाल शिबिया बोलते हैं सवाल. सवाल चला लेकिन तो बिया माने सवाल है. सवाल राजी. Be careful. ये लोग क्या करते हैं? So he must say read right now. Yes. Do you understand yet? Padi poeti kana. Padi poeti. You have to sit at home with your sister, for your sister the Kenya, a word by word bari poeti. Ha? Understand now? It needs to learn. Say shulu kana. This level which has to
one सरकारी सारा हो जाए
Unfortunately, you were supposed to study everything. That's what you would have supposed. शाबाश कर दिया boiled एक boiled एक second हाँ enough काफी था या that isn't enough दाम माना पर दो काफी नहीं था खोराक में काम देर ज्यादा काम दिया सी सोना खोराक की होता याद तो या one small glass of juice or your glass juice में one hard boiled egg one hard boiled egg से था या हाँ इसी
was not going to
yes याद कर याद हरिया हरिजान मसे Hey, mister. Mustafa, can you present it right now? Then present what is it? Did you idea present it? Anwar, can you read? Come here. I share the level team underscore of the main idea of the one we can to Kanda. Is the stroke or something underscore of our time for it? Yes? Hurry up, Shabas. Good. Shabas, hurry up. The time is running out. Time Rawani, if you can present the main idea. Come on, I'm not worried. I swear. You're the lyrical, you're the sugar, the lyrical, you're the drink, the lyrical, the lyrical, don't read it, it's all, I don't care about it. Ah, of course. Yeah. Why did you take your book? Why did you close your book? Open it. I said open it. John, look at me, man, that's the Korea.
cannot have any model. What about pizza and no pizza no spirit it is going to be long 6
Yes, I'm here. Yeah. Hurry up. Are you ready? Oh, she's gonna present an idea. Come here. Yes, come here. Tell us. On a spot. I like this kind of slow. Okay. Take a start. Speak loud. This way, huh?
patient. Doctor said that you eat one egg and drink one glass of juice a day. He said it's not enough for me. I'm going to be hungry. Can I eat bread? Her doctor said, yes, you can eat bread and you cannot eat butter.
Good.
The patient said, can I eat spaghetti and pizza?
Absolutely not. Yes. The doctor said,
The doctor said, not you cannot eat spaghetti and pizza.
outstanding, isn't it? Clap for her. Brilliant applause for her. Good job. That was nice. I really appreciate you. It was a good idea. Yes, come here. Hurry up. Come here. Anfal. Anfal. Hurry up. Sahil. Get this. It's easier. Hey, sir. Usman, are you ready? Go, you can do it. You can do it. Can you? Go. Okay, we should call it a day. Call it a day. Tomorrow you have to deliver the main idea. Okay? Everybody has to do it. How you cuss better, right? By hook or by crook? Good.